Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm going garage sailing. Here's the catch, by myself. But I'm gonna open up the camera, I'm gonna take you guys with me, let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the outside of a garage sale. I am outside of a garage sale. Yeah, I'm about to go in there. I don't think I'm gonna find anything here, but I'm gonna check it out anyway. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you pick up the free guide, which is right here where my finger is. The first link is down below. And also, if you want to check out my cool guides, there's a link down below as well. Okay, there's a garage sale right here, and ooh, what does it say? My Little Pony Castle Place at 30 or 50. Everything, all these little signs. What? This is not going to be a good garage sale. I can already tell. There is kind of like a large format printer looking thing right there. I'm gonna fondle the printer a little bit. Ooh, printer violated. I'm gonna see what's going on in this garage sale, and I don't think I'm gonna find anything here, but maybe the next one or the one down the road. Okay, as expected, nothing at that garage sale. So let me get down the road and find another one. Next garage sale is somewhere around here. Not 100% sure where, but I'm 99% sure there's a garage sale around here. We're gonna find it. Where are you? I don't know. Oh, I see a sign. Ace of Base. I see the sign. And it's opening up my eyes to go this direction right here. Ooh, this is a big garage sale. Hey-o. This one's actually pretty big, and there's a bike out front, which is kind of crazy. But if that bike is here now, that means it's probably, I don't know, we'll see. Interesting. All right, some really cool scores, and yeah, you'll see. Anyway, so we have a light up globe right here, $3. That'll go in my booth for around 30 to 40, easy stuff. Got this kind of like laptop bag that's kind of Peruvian looking, woven, whatever. That was $3, I think, maybe $2. This will probably sell in my booth for around 30. But I think the real big winner is this all-clad stuff right here. And I remember this brand because when I was in San Diego, I did a meetup, and then this one guy who's a ex-chef or maybe a current chef taught me about all-clad, and so here it is. Finally find it like almost a year later, and this is a pot. Looks like a strainer or a colander. Is this a colander? And then we have like a meat searing kind of pan, maybe a panini pan. But anyways, we'll see what this stuff shakes out at. This was $40 at this garage sale, and I'm gonna probably lot it all up on eBay and see if I can get about 150. That's just my guess right now. Hopefully I can get there, we'll see. It was my first stab at all clad, so we'll see what happens with that. Pretty sweet scores, and I'm at my next garage sale already. Yeah, I don't know, it looks kind of drab. I don't know, I'm not really pumped about this one, but let's go see if I can find anything at this one. That does not look good. Does it look? No, it doesn't look good. Didn't find anything at that last garage sale, but this one looks pretty interesting. This could be something. Rolling up to it right now, there's all kinds of weird things. Oh yeah, this could be interesting. I don't know, I see pink. I don't like pink any, I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, nothing there. Okay, so how many more garage sales can I see today? And by the way, answer a question down below for me, because I read all the answers to the questions that I ask you guys. My question is, are garage sales going down in your hometown right now? Or is it snowing, is it raining, whatever? Like, is it the general time where garage sales are starting to be something that you go to on a Saturday morning? Let me know down below, and I would love to read a response. Okay, so either thrift stores or garage sales down the road. We're gonna see one of the two things. Next garage sales right here looks tasty. I better get out of the car now and get some stuff. Okay, I did find a bunch of stuff from that garage sale. I mean, there's like jacket there. We got deer antlers. You can kind of see them right there, deer antlers. A bag full of cool clothing and things. Scored hard on this garage sale. A lot of things that I found here will go to the booth. Also got a flute too. I'm gonna show you everything when I get home. Yeah, promise, you'll see. On our way to the next garage sale, check out this mural in Austin, Texas. That's beautiful. You like it? It's pretty cool. All right, next garage sale is sitting right here. I see a bike, I see all kinds of cool stuff, some boots. Could be good. This actually looks interesting. A pair of Madewell boots. These are like ankle boots, zipper side with harness. I think that's what it's called, the harness loop. Anyway, good condition, you know, $3. Should be able to resell these things for about 50 plus. We'll see. Not too bad. I'm gonna go down the road and find some more stuff. Not a bad day for being a solo, not having e-money here. Like, I'm doing everything, vlogging, the navigation, the everything. Man, Jason Samosa is doing all the work today, I'm telling you. Okay, our travels have brought us to the boutique. I'm gonna check this place out. It just opened like probably 2 minutes ago. Let's give it a whirl. Small spaceship wins the day. This thing is so nimble, quick, fun, park it anywhere. It's so much fun to have this car, I swear. It's like the best $3 grand I've ever spent, ever. Some leaves, anybody want some leaves? Some leaves of this Goodwill, guys. It's a pretty nice coat right there, 20 bucks. Yeah, it's a men's coat. This thing right here. It's an interesting looking coat. Just looked it up, definitely not worth it. Passing on it for sure. So all those weights in that farmer's walk bar, I'm gonna go buy them for about 100 bucks. 400, 500 pounds of weights in there. So we'll see what I can do with that on a local scale. Okay, so I bought those weights. Essentially what it is, it's about 6 45-pound Olympic discs, 2 farmer walk handles that are awesome. Probably 4 to 6 35-pound weights, maybe 4 25-pound weights, some 10s, some 5s, all for 102 bucks. That's actually a really, really good deal considering they're Olympic weights too. So yeah, gotta go mess with those. I have to go bring the truck back because there's no way it's gonna go in this spaceship. This spaceship will like drag on the ground if I bring it home like that. So I'm gonna drive their truck down here to Central Austin later on today and pick them up. Interesting turn of events. I actually get my number to this garage sale for that bike right there if the previous guy didn't pick it up and he didn't come back for it. So they called me and they said the bike's available. So here I am. I'm gonna buy that bike for like around 20 bucks, maybe 15 bucks. And about, you know, any type of like sunny day that comes around the next week or two, it'll be reposted for about 100, 120. So pretty cool, bikes to bucks. I'm gonna go pick this thing up. There it is, a giant Cypress, 20 bucks. Good condition too, I like it. All right, so I'm back at the Hustler Casa. It's like the next day, and these are some of the things I found from that one garage sale. Remember when I was like, I'm gonna show you when I get home. So here it is right here. We have some overalls, pretty cool, nothing crazy. We have a Walls jacket that has some Aztec kind of, you know, print to it on the side. Just a normal jacket, pretty neat, nylon interior. We have this little kind of bag. All this stuff is going to go into the booth for the most part. So we have this bag right here, pretty nice. We have a hooded suede jacket, which was neat. Right here, size 44, hooded suede jacket, really interesting kind of thing. There's the hood, and it goes down to right there. Also have a Wrangler jacket right here. It looks really cool. It's a Wrangler outerwear jacket. It's kind of a small one, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So it's a really nice jacket, pretty cool. I like that a lot. So there's that. Also got a flute from that garage sale. These are just like $1 a piece from that garage sale. And then we got antlers galore right here. We got a mount plus an antler right there. So all that kind of stuff's going to go to the booth. I thought it was a really good garage selling day. What did you guys think down below? Let me know. Also got some weights down here. Yeah, so let me know down below. What was your favorite find? Oh yeah, and then one last thing. Got this freaking blanket for $1. And it's a Beaver State by Pendleton. Right there, see that? Boom, that was $1. It's a small blanket, but still, I'll take it. I'll take it, wouldn't you? What was your favorite find from the day? Let me know down below. And thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.